Welcome back. We have another special item for you today. This is different. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I'm a huge fan of Anker. That's what this is. Anker portable chargers, speakers, headphones, you name it. But let's get right into it. I picked up another portable charger. I picked this one up because it's different. It's a tube. I have the flat ones, 3 of those as you've seen. This one's only 5,000 milliamp hours. So this is the smallest one, literally the smallest one, and then the lowest capacity that I now own. It's nice. It is pretty cool. I'm about to hook it. I fully charged it already. I'm about to hook it up for the first time. Just wanted to show you what we have. The only button on this thing is that. Fully charged it. And it's supposed to charge the phone 2 times. We'll see. It's 5,000 milliamp hours, and it's not like those little cheap batteries that say that, and it's really half. This actually has some weight to it, and it's small. I'll definitely compare it to the other Anker, the smallest one I have. That's the only one close to me right now. Only thing I didn't like about it, the con, is that the input to charge it, it's only a USB micro. It's not a USB-C. So it'd be nice to be able to charge this bad boy with a micro, but it did come with a micro cord. And let's face it, we all have 100 of those cords in the basket, right? In the bin. You can only charge out with the USB type. It's not a USB-C. You cannot charge in with that. You can only charge out. But let's hook it up for the first time. Let's see if it automatically connects or if you got to push the button. So here it is. Let's go. And it automatically connects. That battery is 17%. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to charge this battery 17%. So I'm going to charge the battery, and once it's 100%, we'll see how many bars and lights we have on this. That's almost drained. 17%. It's close enough. So you know, we'll like I said, I'm not doing a scientific test. I'm just kind of giving you an idea of what this Anker can do. So at the end of the video, this will be 100%, and we'll see how many lights we have. But again, from what I heard, you can charge. This is an iPhone 11. I'm filming with the Pro Max 12, but you should be able to charge this bad boy 2 times. So let's look at the back of the box. There it is. It's the PowerCore 5000. Yeah, it's just you can't beat Anker. You can't beat them. And here, let me go ahead and pull the other Anker I have. Got tons of these. Got 2 of these smaller ones, and then a couple of the bigger ones. This is a 10,000 milliamp hour. So this is the typical one that I'm assuming most people buy. It's the common one. It's one of the cheaper ones of this style. This style, you can charge it USB-C and USB micro, but you can only charge it out USB. I just wanted to mainly do a size comparison because this is the 5,000 and this is the 10,000. So these are the closest of the 2. So just to kind of give you an idea, size comparison, obviously it's a lot thicker, but it's that lipstick style, a little bit heavier on the weight. Obviously this is going to be heavy by 2 times, but yeah, just to give you an idea, this is sleek and cool. Slip it in your back pocket, you're good to go. This is just cool. I just had to have it because it's a little different. I have like I said, a whole bunch of these. It's good to have, you know, tubular. You can put it in your pocket, throw it in the bag. It's a lot shorter and narrow, so you can slip it in the side pocket, and you know, something that's narrow. Although it's fatter, a lot smaller, takes up a lot less space. So anyway, let's get a thumbnail in this. Maybe we should take this out. I wish it was blue in there, like this one. I wish it was blue. Like I said, end of this video, you'll see exactly what this can do. So on that note, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the last clip. What's up, everybody? Mr. Ball back at it with the final clip. We still have 2 dots on this charger. And look, from 17% to 100%, it is charged. It's charged 100%. Well, not 100%, but from 17 to 100, still have 2. So assuming it was completely drained, 0%, and we charge it to 100, I think that backs up the statement I made earlier. It should charge it 2 times. I don't know when the other dot's gonna go out, but yeah, it should charge the phone 2 times with this small little device. So I'm pretty pleased. Now I will say it's been about 2 hours or so since I made the original clip. Keep in mind, It does charge slow, it's only 5 watts. But yeah, from 17 to 100, I cannot complain. So it should charge 2 times, and it's a small little nifty device. You can never go wrong with Anker, that's for sure. Anyway, just wanted to show you the update from charging it. This is the iPhone 11. All right, I have to add one more clip. So it is officially dead. It completely charged that phone up from 17% to 100, and that's the iPhone 11. I went ahead and hooked my Pro Max 12 up to the Anker. It was 2 lights whenever I did that, and it charged it halfway. So I can officially say it's going to come down to what kind of phone you have and how big the battery is, but you're at least going to get a full charge and a quarter out of this thing. Like I said, this wasn't completely dead, and this thing charged my phone up almost half, so I can confidently say you'll get at least 1 full charge and a quarter, which works for me. It's just a 5,000 milliamp battery. Cheap, little, can't complain.